Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Face ID on any iPhone. So if you want to turn off Face ID on your iPhone or any other iPhone that you're using, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to open the settings icon on your phone, then scroll down a little and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then you input your Face ID. If your Face ID is activated, just use your Face ID, and if it is not, then input your passcode. So I'm just gonna input my passcode. Then after that, you scroll down a little, then you find an option called set up Face ID. You see the option there, set up Face ID. So if you want to turn off your Face ID, just tap on the reset, then your Face ID will be automatically turned off. And for you to be able to use it again, you have to set it up again. So with that, you just turn it on by just reset it again, and that is it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.